Hi, hello. So I have basically two smart contracts. I want to deploy them and verify them. So I am just going to this Remix website. So I have opened this Remix, and if you have Google Chrome, you can go here and add a new account here to create a new remix session so that it has the start. So you just make sure that you are starting from start and you do not have some old files which may disturb your work. So let's just see this. These are the basic demo files of the remix. So I am just going to my VS Code. I am first of all copying this example token and pasting here in the remix, and just to zoom a little bit. So I am going to this, and in this I'm going in this file and just pressing Control S, and it's saving. You see here it's some loading type of sign. See, it's compiling. So also I press these buttons: auto compile, enable optimization, hide warnings. So this is going to be compiled, and let's see some other options. Yes, so I have to connect this to MetaMask. I'm selecting injected web3. So I'm just opening this. Okay, so it's I have to switch to Robston. I'm just ticking this injected web3 again. It's saying that's not found. I'm just visiting this website again. Okay, so going to the contract storage. Please, okay, it's open. So I'm just pressing Control S to save. Let's see the options. I have entered this enable optimization. It's compiling. So it's compiled now, and I have to. This is 0.8.2. This is 0.8.4, and to see some things. Here I select the example token which is at the end, and I have to select this injected web3, and I am connecting this. The website is connected. Here's my account. The gas limit is 3 million. Remain as it is. I'm deploying this token. I'm just editing this face. Edit. Edit. Making this high. Confirm. So meanwhile I install the plugin which is basically verify. Just write VE. It's come verify. I press activate, and I think it's activated here. It's asking for the API key. So to make an API key, you have to basically go to the EtherScan, and EtherScan, ETHER API. Search this on Google, and maybe it's here. And at the end, you say yes. You see, a developer API. This one. So here you can just log in and get the API key from etherscan/APIs. So from here you can sign in. This I have the API key. I will just paste it. you may also create your API key. So I'm opening the VS Code. I'm opening the project in which I have that truffle project, full course, example, going in the env file, and here I am copying my etherscan key and pasting this here. Save API key. Then it's saying which smart contract you want to verify. I'm selecting example token. So I need the address of example token. You see here it is deployed. I'm just copying this. First of all, just robsten dot etherscan.io slash address slash this. So our contract is created here, but it's not verified. So I come here, I go to this tab, and it's saying constructor arguments. We do not have any constructor arguments. We have to just paste this address. Let's try to verify. So it says the contract verified correctly, received GUID etc. is this. So let's see if it is verified or not. Let's refresh this page. Yes, so it's verified. Alhamdulillah. Thank God it's verified. Okay, so it's great to see this experience. And we and if there are some arguments in the constructor, then you can paste that arguments here. And to do that, you go to ABI hashx, this website, and here's just scroll down here. You said add parameter, add parameter. For example, if there are three parameters in the constructor, you select here. The first one is, for example, uint. The next one is, for example, an address, and the next one is also an address. So you basically, just for example, you paste here address, you paste here address, you write here some uint. For example, I write 1, I write 100, or I write, for example, 1 or 100 etc, 1000 etc. So this is the constructor arguments generated from this. If there are 5 or 6, you can do similarly like this. Just copy this and come here and paste the arguments here, and then you can again verify the contract if their contract is different, which require arguments. So I think this video will help you. So I think I should verify the second contract also. So I'm going here, copying this. So I am pasting on the previous contract. I just pasted this. Go to this tab, press Ctrl S. I press Ctrl S and it automatically changes the version from 0.8 to 0.5.17, and you can see here the 0.5.5. So I think it will be compiled, and these things are ticked, and I am going to this, and here I will select the example crowd sale. This is the first one, example crowd sale. Here I have to enter the arguments here. So I will enter the rate. Can just do like this. I can enter the rate. Rate is for example 10. The next thing is wallet address. I can just it can be just any address. I'm just copying this. Token should be token address is also on this. I have entered the cap, for example 10. I have set the opening time, for example 0, or for example you can say something like this. I enter the closing time, something like this. Press transact. Is saying that gas estimation failed, etc. So I'm just sending the transaction. I'm editing this piece. I'm making this high. Save. Confirm. So I hope it will be deployed. So let's make the constructor arguments for this. So the rate is 10 and wallet and token. So the first one is uint. The rate is 10. The next is address, and the next one is uint, uint add parameter, uint add parameter, uint. So here in the uints I will copy this 10 and this. First of all it was 10, then it is something more. I write here, then there is also something like this, copy, and I'm pasting it here. So I pasted something like this. So these are constructor arguments. I copy this. So the contract is not deployed yet. I hope it will be deployed. So I'm going here, contract creator, this address. So I can see the transactions of this person. So this transaction is pending, which is basically the contract creation. Let's see this transaction hash. So it's pending. So this is the thing. I hope it will be created soon. So come on, bro. Come on. From interacted with. I hope it will be deployed. So it's saying that I think it's not deployed. It's saying that time crowd sale opening time is before the current time. Opening time is before the current time. Okay. So let's make this something like this, and like make something like this. So now I'm going to create it. Again I will make the gas fees high just to make sure it takes not more time. It's making it confirm. So now it will be deployed. Let's copy this to our arguments, paste, and copy this, paste. So this is our constructor arguments. I copied this, and when it will be deployed I will just paste the constructor arguments here, which I pasted, and I have to select the example crowd sale from here. So example crowd sale, it's here. So I have just to change the address, which I will get from here. In the below it will show when it's deployed. I'm going here, Going to my address C18. Here I will get this transaction, which is his latest transaction. I hope it will run fine. So so it's just continuing. Oh, nice, success, good, great. Yes. So we get this address, copy, bring it here, just paste it, verify. Hmm. Contract verified. Let's see. To created. Just click here. It's not verified. Let's see why it's not verified. In the address again. Verify. Contract source already verified. Nice. Oh, nice. It's verified. Great. Maybe we had to just wait 1 2 seconds before seeing this. So nice. It's all verified. So I hope you are happy that we have verified the contracts from the remix. Okay. Bye bye. I hope you have a great day. May God bless you. Allah Hafiz. I'm from Pakistan. My name is Zubair. You can contact me on Telegram at the rate of thinkmuneeb and on WhatsApp +92 301 444 0289. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.